Well, welcome back. This is Mr. Arthur, and I want to take you through the last little bit for your project. This is getting your poster ready to go, and there's some parts that I'll ask you to make sure you do, and there's other parts you'll discover and play around with and get the way that you want. First of all, remember these are data frames, and this outer boundary is what's going to be the actual poster, and I set it up to be about 1.5 feet high and about 2 feet wide. So as you are sizing in here, realize that this is not life size. So when something looks like really small print, that's because we're at 30%. You can go to 100% here to see how that actually will look when printed out. A few things that you might want to do. Maybe you want another data frame. Most of the things that you're going to be adding are up here under insert. So you can insert another data frame that if you want it and move it to where you want. Go back, add parts into it. So if you need another data frame, you can go ahead and do that. It may be that you want to put into here, or not maybe, but one of the things that I need for you to put into here is a title. So you can put in your title and then click on it and then type in and change to whatever you need to have it be. So you can put in titles for data frames, the title for the overall project. You can change it to different size fonts depending on what you want it to look like or do. And colors and all of the rest of that. And so you can do that. You can insert a text box. Remember, you have some arguments to construct, so you can put in a text box. You can drop that in there. You can also come down. You can put in a neat line, and what a neat line is a border. So maybe I come in here and I insert a neat line, and I decide how big I want that border to look. And you can see it makes the data frame stand out more. You can put one around the whole outside. There's a variety of places that you can put your neat lines in. I'll let you experiment with that to figure it out. You're going to need to put in a north arrow. You got all kinds of ones to choose from. Drop in your north arrow, resize it to fit, place it in an appropriate place. You can also, for your map, you need a scale. So you can put in a scale bar and scale text. Choose the data frame that you want it to apply to first. And then the cool thing is as you zoom in and out on the map, the scale bar will change with it. So once you get it set up once, you should be in pretty good shape as far as how that works. You need to if you need to put in a picture, this is a place that you can do that too. You're going to need legends for your colors. So if I'm sitting here, I can insert a legend, and it takes you through a little wizard. You decide what you want it to be. So I don't want the street map to be part of the legend, so I can remove that. But I do want the native plant field and the community park, and I want those to be in my legends, and then I choose next. And as you step through it, there's some other options that you can choose, and then you finish it, it'll drop it here, and then you can double click on that, and then you can go in and make other changes that you want. You can change the title and size, position, that where it goes, the layout, the way that the frame works. There's all kinds of things that you can change about that. You can move everything around to get them where you want. To zoom out, in and out, if you come in here, and use the layout toolbar, this is going to zoom in and out, not on your data frame. Those are over here. but this is going to zoom in and out on the layout itself. Okay? And if you other things that you want to do, ask me and I'll point you in the right direction for where it is, or we can look it up together. All right, well, good luck on your project, and let's make it happen.